Welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, thanks for watching. For those of you returning, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a few unboxings, some stuff that I got from the TikTok shop that I've been super excited to open. Nothing too crazy, just literally just stuff. Damn, I'm just consuming. That's crazy. All right, package number one. The way that everything is packaged, I know what it is, but I'm still super excited to open all of them. I don't know how late I am on this trend, but I saw these and I really wanted them. All right, first purchase. Oh my gosh, why do I already love these so much? I feel like it's a look. All right, second package. Special guest. You want to open this one for me? I like these already. I got 3 of these shirts, 3 different colors. Black, white, and purple. This one's my favorite. This is definitely my favorite one. All right, so also in that bag, I totally forgot I bought these. I got some headphones too. I kept seeing ads for these and they finally worked. They were being advertised as gaming headphones. That's probably what I'm going to use them for most. Uh-oh. I don't know which one is like right and which one's left. Where do these go? Oh. Oh no. I don't get it. Like this. Oh. Wait, I have my iPad. I also have a converter. Oh, these are. I like those. Just noticed the Pit Vipers came with this Pit Viper bag. So what's in this package is originally what got me in the TikTok shop, and it is by far the thing that I'm most excited for. I got the Smackin' Seeds sample pack. Comes with 6 flavors, garlic parmesan, oh, a sticker, OG original. Oh, they have little windows in the back so you can see them. Dill pickle, shout out Adam. Cinnamon churro, cracked pepper. These, I'm so excited for these. Cracked pepper is my favorite. And backyard barbecue. These all look really good. The packaging is so cool. So, with the coupon code I had, 6 bags of seeds, these gaming headphones with the little extra earbuds, Pit Vipers, and 3 shirts for 20 bucks. The Smackin' Seeds taste test review will be coming very soon because I am going to try all of these. I'm gonna say cracked pepper and cinnamon churro are gonna be my favorite, but we'll see. So Gracie, you saw everything. You saw the shirts, you saw the seeds, you saw the headphones. So which one was your favorite today, Gray? Excellent. I 100% agree. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I really, really appreciate every single view that I get. I'm at 98 subscribers. That's awesome. I'm 2 away from 100. Super excited about that. Thank you to everyone again. Uh, can't wait to make more videos. Appreciate it.